Hey guys, welcome to week 7 of Learn, Grow, Eat, Go recipe demonstration. This week we're going to be making a very simple grape, tomato, and cilantro salad. And what we're going to need for today's recipe is grape tomatoes. We're going to be using some olive oil. We're going to be using some cilantro herbs to season it with. We're going to chop up a little bit of fresh green onion, and then we're going to season it with some salt and pepper. So I already went ahead and got started and chopped the tomatoes. The grape tomatoes, it called for 2 cups, which this is a cup. It called for 2 cups of grape tomatoes sliced in half. And so this is what they look like once they're sliced in half. And to slice the tomato, I'm just going to demonstrate that real quick. I just take the tomato and hold it and slice it right down the middle, and that is all there is to that. So I'm going to put that in that salad. And then next I'm going to take actually the fresh green onion. Now remember, when you get the onions, they've got these bottoms or the roots on there, so I'm going to take this layer and peel off the onion just like that, and I'm going to slice off the roots and start slicing the onion. Onion is very good in a salad like this. It just gives it some natural flavor. And so I'm going to slice a little bit of that. And then I'm going to rake that down into the salad. Next, I'm going to get my cilantro, and I'm just going to take the leaves off so I can chop some to put in there. Cilantro is an herb that's used to season different foods as well. It's a little bit strong, and so a little bit of the cilantro kind of goes a long way in a recipe. It's really good in a salad like this or a salsa, and this is kind of like a salsa, what we're making today. So I'm going to take these leaves and kind of bunch them together. I'm going to be real careful with the knife not to slice my fingers until I get all of this chopped up. Now, one thing about this salad, it's very nutritious. The tomatoes, if y'all can remember, tomatoes are very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C, if y'all will remember, helps us when we have cuts or wounds. It helps those wounds and cuts to heal, and it also helps fight infection. Now we're going to slide that cilantro down into that salad, and I want y'all to see how pretty the red and the green are. Next, I'm going to get our olive oil, and it calls for 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to drizzle that over the top. So I'm going to pour this into my tablespoon and drizzle that lightly on top. And I'm going to set this aside. Now, another variation that would be really good in this recipe is an avocado. And I'm going to show y'all how to slice an avocado. So you just lay this down, and you're going to cut it lengthwise. There's a big, huge seed in this avocado, so we're going to slice all the way around it and then kind of twist that, and there's the avocado. And to get the avocado seed out, you're just going to kind of run your knife like that, and the seed comes right out. Now, a trick that you can use is I would cut the bad spot out. Sometimes avocados have a bad spot that you're going to want to cut out. One trick that you can use is get your knife and just kind of run it down the edge of this avocado. You don't push down, you just let it slide down, and then you can run it this way again, and we're just kind of slicing that avocado up. Now you can see it's kind of in chunks. I'm going to put that in there. You can get your spoon and actually take and run along the side of this avocado, and it comes out already chopped for you. So I'm going to put that in the bowl right there. And now we've got a pretty salad going. You can leave the avocado out if you would like to. Now I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm just going to sprinkle my salt on top. And then I've got some cracked pepper, and I'm just going to grind that over the top a little bit. Just like that. Now I'm going to stir this up again. And this is a great salad, very nutritious and very easy to put together. And this is what our salad looks like after we're done. So it's a pretty simple recipe. Now, if you will look on your recipes that y'all got with y'all, I want to go over just a few things. If you will look on the nutrition facts label on your recipe, and find how many servings that this recipe makes. So look up at the top above the nutrition facts label, and this recipe makes 4 1/2 cup servings. Now I want y'all to find on the nutrition facts label how many calories are in 1/2 cup of this recipe. So that would be 70 calories. That's a pretty low calorie dish with lots of vitamins in there. So that's all I have today. I hope y'all really try this at home and take it home to your families and give it a try. And I hope you'll have a good week, and I will see y'all next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.